I want to organize my CRM for my sales pipeline and my funnel. Naturally, each one of us is going to adapt our sales funnel, but do you visually, is there a module somewhere? I'm still new, I'm still going through all your.
Yeah, I believe I cover it in, I think it's there's a prospecting or pipeline course. Again, don't get me in trouble because I'm not trying to ruin your business. Where I'm a little bit different is mine is not centered around what stage a deal is in, because stages lie to you, right? Stage is like, oh, it's in the need stage. It's in the blah, blah, blah. They're really confusing. I'm like, have I made contact with you? Yes. Do I know where you're at right now and where you want to go? Yes. Do you have a contract? Yes. Have you made a verbal commitment to do candidates through me? Yes. So I focus on the actions that needs to happen because actions are indisputable. Like there's no dispute whether or not Jason received a contract from me. There is all the dispute in the world of whether I think Jason is in the needs analysis phase or not. Like it's too fuzzy. So I just
you're not focusing at all on like cold call 1, email 1, warm call 2, outreach in progress, review agreement signed. You're doing like their actual.
I'm staying in the cold call phase until they get out of the cold call phase. And then I'm moving them to the follow-up. Well, I don't say follow-up, but wherever I'm at with that. If they verbally committed. Now, here's the thing. I don't have 40 different messages. Like if Jason said he was going to sign the contract, I'm going to repeatedly call Jason and go, hey, Jason, Matt Easton over here at Easton Logistics wanted to make sure that you received the Dropbox with the contract and the ability to upload the weights for the warehouse. I'm on my mobile. I'm staying on he said he was going to do that, not, hey, I'm just checking in, I'm just following up, calling to see if you had any questions on it. Because if he was just lazy and I say, did you have any questions? He's going to make some questions up. 100% of the time. If they're just lazy and you say, wanted to make sure you had the thing to do it, right? Like if my son hadn't done his homework and he had to write an essay, and I opened his door and said, hey, do you have any questions on your homework? He'd be like, yeah, Dad, actually I do. When I know he was on frickin' whatever the Minecraft or whatever he didn't play Minecraft, whatever the kids are playing. I don't know. I should probably know what my kids are playing. He could be planning a frickin' takeover and I wouldn't know it. And so I say, hey, wanted to make sure you had a pen and a piece of paper to start the essay. Oh yeah, Dad, I needed that. Thanks, pal. Right? And boom, he gets to work. But if I say questions, he's going to ask questions. So yeah, you'll see it a little bit in that course. As you build your stuff, if you want to come to the lives and ask little questions, I'm not the best in like building out CRMs, but I'd rather have it be on things where you know that happened. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.